check this out. This is an antique Dover elevator. Not sure when this was installed, but obviously it was a long time ago. It's a Hauser elevator. Yeah, as you see, Dover and Hauser. I forget what kind of fixtures these are, but I have seen them in videos before. We're gonna go to G. Apparently this serves B, which is like the second floor of the building, but it's locked off. Here we are at G. Check out that airlock. I think, actually I'm not sure what brand it is, but here are the stacks. Check that out. So, anyway, yeah, this is a pretty cool elevator. We're gonna, yeah, check out those buttons. So, anyway, we're gonna go back up. I'm not sure what you can see up there, but anyway, here's another look at these fixtures. Despite what the indicator says, M is actually the 4th floor, G is actually the 3rd floor, and B, which is keyed off there, is actually the 2nd floor. So, here's another look at the indicator. We're gonna go up to M. Watch the door shut. Here we are at M. That's a little low on oil. Let's just take it for one more ride, why not? We're gonna go to G. Here is your emergency phone. Here's your cab view. Can you see anything up here? No, you can't. I was just wondering. But anyway, we're going to go back up to M. Actually, on second thought, I'm just going to test this out. What happens if the door's open and you try to send it to M? I don't know. But yeah, so basically, now it's going to go to M. We'll watch the indicator. Here we are at M. And with that being said, actually, here's another look. This is the Mathematics Library at Cornell University. This is in Malott Hall, by the way. So, with that being said, that'll be it.